This video could be your answer to how to earn good money online. So I advise you to patiently watch to the end to get reliable advice on where to go, what to do, especially if you have digital skills like video editing skills, photography, even voiceover skills. If you have those skills, you are in luck, but only if you follow the advice. Now, there is this online platform known as Fiverr. You may or may not have heard of it. For those who have heard of it, okay, fine, this video might not be for you. But if you have never heard of it and you have these skills that I've listed amongst so many others, please listen. Now, you will find my affiliate link in the comment section of this video. Yes, I am an affiliate. Yes, I am vouching for the platform based on personal experience. For those contemplating freelance work, let me just give you a quick heads up about what Fiverr is. Now, Fiverr is an Israeli e-commerce platform that links clients to professionals who are willing to work on a freelance basis. Fiverr came into existence in 2010, and by 2012, it already had well over 1.3 million gigs. Now, gigs are the small offers online, offers to do work, freelance, online. They're known as gigs, G-I-G-S. So you're going to hear a bit more of such language on this platform, and that's why I'm trying to explain what it is. Perhaps Fiverr's meteoric rise to fame can be attributed to the fact that all services listed on the platform initially were pegged at just $5, which made it incredibly affordable to clients. Till date, you will find that most newcomers on the platform start out with a $5 listing, which is pretty much like the free bouquet that you get with many services online. If you go online, many platforms are willing to let you start for free, but then you'll discover that to access everything you need, you'll have to start subscribing, maybe monthly or annually, as the case may be. So with the Fiverr platform, I dare say that any listing you find at $5 is for the most basic, bare bones kind of service. Yeah? Now, this philosophy was good at first, particularly for buyers, but not so much for the sellers, that is, the people providing the services on the platform. I mean, it's evident they were not earning much. And because that was becoming a problem, the platform found a way around it so that they could achieve balance for both their clients and for the sellers or the vendors. That way everybody goes home happy. So today, if you visit the Fiverr platform, yes, you'll find services listed for $5, which is where the name of the platform itself derived from. Fiverr, five with double R's at the end. Fiverr. That's how they got their name, because most of their offers were up for $5. But now, if you visit the platform, you'll find that many of the sellers are pegging their services at anything from $50 to $10,000. So you, as a seller or as a vendor of services, stand a good chance of earning up to even $10,000, depending on what service you're offering and what service the client is buying from you, which I think is not very bad at all, because you determine how you want to work, essentially. Yeah? So you have the basic bouquet, which many list at $5. Then you have standard, and then you have premium. So now that you at least know of its existence and what it is, let me also explain to you all the things you stand to gain by signing up to be a seller on the Fiverr platform. Okay? First of all, it has good service conditions for vendors. Secondly, you earn in dollars. You work at your convenience. It is a reliable source of income depending on how much work and time you devote to it. You could actually make it a full-time thing if you want. There is no rule that says that it must strictly be a residual income thing. If you're not currently working, for instance, and you list yourself on there and begin to provide services and you have returning customers, you could actually make that your full-time thing. Yeah? Now, the fact that you are listed as a vendor or as a seller doesn't exclude you from buying the services of other vendors as well. So there's that. Then again, the platform is open to persons of all ages, adults. I have seen people who are elderly, 60, 65, and so age isn't listed on the platform, yeah? But you can tell from a person's looks. You can usually hazard a fairly good guess of how old somebody is by how they look. And I've seen some rather elderly people online offering writing services, editing services, coaching services, voice coaching services, and so on and so forth. So the fact that you are a retiree, you don't have to wait for this pension that when it comes in, it's even a pittance. Fiverr is there for you to go, list what you do, and then market yourself to people so that you can get clients and then begin to earn, an income in dollars. Okay? Then it is a global marketplace. So you never run out of clients. You never run out of clients, especially if you keep giving good quality service. You have to do that. If you do that, you get returning clients. Fiverr keeps you on, they don't kick you off. And then with time, your work speaks for yourself and you attract even more clients because clients are asked to leave a review. So if you give somebody a very good quality work and the person comes back there to sing your praises, that will attract more clients to you because it's highly competitive. So you need those excellent reviews. So it is in your best interest to make sure that you put in your best each time you provide a service to somebody, even if they're just paying for the basic bouquet. Another very good thing about it is that you can actually introduce other people to the platform and make money that way as well. Now, this is not multi-level marketing. Bring one or bring two people, let them also bring two people, and then one kind of thing will happen. No, it's not multi-level marketing. It is affiliate marketing. I'll go into affiliate marketing. It's linked to this. If you recall, at the beginning of this video, I said I'm an affiliate for Fiverr. I'm going to talk more about affiliate marketing, educate us about it so that if you want to, you can give it a shot. It's a very fantastic way of making good money. You put in the work, you get the money. Now, what do you need to get started on the Fiverr platform? Well, first of all, you need skills. What skills do you have? Do you have a beautiful voice? You could have a beautiful voice and then you don't have any training on how to use it professionally. There are options for that too. I will teach you. Or rather, I'll show you where to go to get adequate coaching so that you use your voice to its maximum potential in order to make money. Okay? So, first of all, you need to have some kind of skill that can be monetized. Secondly, you need to have a very good laptop. I think that goes without saying. You can do some of these things using your phone, but when you use a platform, you're able to do, when you use a laptop, you're able to do so much more. There's a range laptops cover that your, handset might not, or even your iPad might not. So you need a laptop. You need to have very good internet connectivity. That goes without saying because you're working online. I would advise that you have more than one modem. That's what I do. I have two at the moment, and I'm considering adding another one to make them three, because it seems as if internet connectivity has been very bad. If I didn't have access to at least two different internet service providers, I'm doing YouTube, I would have been suffering the consequences by now, along with my fans. So you need more than one internet service provider. You need to have 2 to 3 modems. Okay? Then you need to have a private place. Maybe not necessarily an office, but you need to have a quiet space in your house where you can retreat to and concentrate on work. You also need to have a dollar account. Or let me not specify the currency. Let's say you need a domiciliary account so that you can receive payment. You need to be able to get the money in after providing your services. So you need to have that. In Nigeria, many people tend to, just do a dollar account, but when you do your DOM account, I would say you leave it open, so you don't do only dollar, do the dollar, the pound, the euro. Yeah, so you need to have that. It's absolutely necessary. Then the last two, which are crucial, especially because we're Nigerians. This point is particularly crucial if you're a Nigerian who intends to do any kind of work online. Your integrity matters. You see, when you go into the realm of the internet, when you go online, that is when you realize how dishonest Nigerians have done us a great disservice. There are quite a number of firms that as a Nigerian you cannot even sign up to be an affiliate for. Fiverr is one of those platforms that will work with Nigerians. And it's a global platform. So, your integrity, bring your integrity with you so that you don't close the door for others. Yeah? This is a personal appeal. Very important. And then finally, what I always like to say, last but not least, your will, the desire. The desire. There are people who ask, oh, this online marketing thing, I don't even know about. I am worried about doing things online. It's difficult. And then you have other people who feel as if it should be an overnight success thing. Both are extremes and both will take you in the wrong direction. There are perfectly valid online money-making schemes, just as the one I've introduced to you. Perfectly legal. You can make good money from these platforms if you are willing to commit yourself, if you are hardworking, dedicated, and skilled at what you do. But everything takes some time to grow. The fact that you sign up is easy doesn't mean the work itself will be easy. It will require you putting in the same level of blood, sweat, and tears as any physical business you would do. The difference being that startup with online businesses can be even non-existent. You can start an online business for almost free. Very marginal cost. Very little. You don't have to spend too much money. So that's taken off. Overhead costs are reduced, if at all. You don't have to pay rent and things like that. But you still have to put in the work if you're going to be a success, if you're going to earn money. You don't just sign up and then think that because it's online, people will see it. No, you have to go the extra mile and promote. So I hope that if you're somebody who is highly skilled and you already have a laptop, you have access to the internet, Maybe you even have a domiciliary account that has been lying dormant. If you have all these things in place, well, what are you waiting for? Sign up. Go to that link. You'll find it in the comment section. Click there, sign up, and see how you can make sure that 2022 ends on a better note than even 2021. Even if you did good in 2021, what's wrong with doing better in 2022? So, remember to like, share, comment, and if my content makes sense to you, kindly subscribe, because that is how the channel grows.